Hi guys, what's poppin'? Hey, Rasa here, and now I'm taking a video. I will tell you all about myself. Okay, let's start. Where should I start? Just kidding, bros. Here, phrase. My name is Rasa F. Suleimani. I'm 10 years old. My birthday is September 5. I'm September 5, 2006. I'm 10 years old. I'm turning to 11 years old. September 5, 2017. And my favorite color is black. I'm already grade 6. And my favorite subject, not really. I like history. Yeah, that's all. And, wait. My favorite place? Maybe malls? Or my dream? Yeah, here's. My favorite place. My favorite place is malls. Yeah, malls. And my favorite hobby, basketball, vlogging. Yeah. And I want what I want. Let me think. Nothing. I just want nothing. Here. My favorite cartoons, maybe Worlds of Gumball, Adventure Time, Amazing World of Gumball, yeah, Adventure Time. And my dream work to become a YouTuber, or a chef, or a doctor, pilot, DJ, tour guide. Yeah, YouTuber. I want to be YouTuber. So guys, here, come. Whoa! Hey, yes. Okay, that's all guys. That's all for today. Peace, bros. Yeah.